Good morning, traders. It's AJDayTradr here. It's the 5th of April. Let's just get straight into the charts again. So, with the euro, yesterday we broke through the daily trend line here. However, we did reject strongly off there, and it did not hold below. In fact, we closed above, forming a large rejection candle. This is a strong signal that we're actually going to go up and test the next resistance before coming in and breaking this trend line. I think we get to 108, and it's a great confluence between this trend line coming back into play and this resistance. The hourly, I think I'll wait. My confirmation of this move will be the break of this hourly, and then hopefully we retest and maybe even test here. That would be nice price action in order to get in the move long up to 108, up to around here. So that's my game plan with euro. Of course, if it does break down and hold on the daily, then I'm looking bearishly. Pound, we're in. It's a bit unclear. We're a bit in the middle of nowhere. As yesterday, the analysis was it failed at 125.60. Went down to test 124.20. Could be a nice trade up towards 125.60 again. That would complete the D, and we would be back with a new Fibonacci. But we seem to be having a price squeeze at the moment. There's not much we can do until we break out of this pennant formation again. Price is really squeezed. We could see a move this morning. So whichever way we break out of this sort of triangle flag, I think we sustain that move. So with the Aussie had a bearish day yesterday. We did hit an hourly D, and then we've since retraced. I'm looking for opportunities to get in to short. However, we do have a little bit of support coming up before too long. Probably don't want to trade it through there, but I may look towards another currency that may be stronger, maybe Euro was, Aussie yen. We'll see which currency looks the strongest against the Aussie. So our target in Aussie is still 0.575. Hourly has formed its Fibonacci there, and also the daily, so slightly below 0.75. And at that point, I think we do get a deeper pullback, maybe even a pullback on the 4-hour. This is quite a strong resistance as well, actually. And then we could go on and test the next resistance at 0.430, 7430. So with New Zealand, it's a similar picture. They are quite similar currencies. We are breaking down after retracing the move back into the pennant formation. Quite a nice trade. If you got in on the retracement, put your stop above the A, or even just above the resistance above the trend line, and then you target the D, which is 0.6930. That's the first target, and I think we do eventually make a way down to the overall daily target, which is 0.6870. I'll be looking for New Zealand weakness in the currencies today. So Aussie CAD, we finally broke out of the formation. Like I said, we had yesterday, we had a range, and we did just snap straight back in. It's not clear yet whether this is just a normal retracement. If I get rid of this box, you can see the new fib has formed. We have already retraced. We could well go up and test and complete this D. However, if you look at the rejection bar on a previous candle, which hasn't held well actually, so maybe that shouldn't be respected, it was a very strong signal that the market wasn't ready to get out of this range, and I'm still not going to trade CAD until a better signal is given. So dollar yen is another one that rejected yesterday, so that was quite typical of yesterday. Kind of had a move and then it failed. But we did complete the D and then retrace, so we are ready to go down towards first target 0.960, and then next target 109. A strong signal that we're ready to get to 109 will be the break of this trend line, and I've also put in the market angle that the trend line made, and then a break of this. I think we do get down to 109 quite quickly, but we seem to just be having an indecision candle here after a rejection. It's not the best move, so perhaps better to wait for a full retracement, get in at the 618 down. I think that's a nice trade. So thanks a lot for joining me, guys. Hope you found it useful, and check in tomorrow. I have something coming up which I will mention tomorrow, an opportunity for my listeners, my viewers, and a chance to enter a competition to get some money, which I actually won once, and it's a completely free, and it's just a great way to practice trading. So thanks, guys. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye.